I can't wait. We back outside. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OQHAIR. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now this is my first time working with this brand. They wanted me to install a V-part wig. I mean, it's open, okay? There's no lace anywhere on this wig, y'all. And in my crazy delusion, I decided to do it with no leave out. Listen, challenge where? Your girl did her thing with this V-part wig install, no leave out. It is also something so your girl is double fisting today. Hello. So, yeah, it's for my throat. A little bit more. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from OQHAIR. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is my first time working with this brand and reviewing their hair, and I'm pretty excited about it because it is a V-part wig. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while, you have not seen a V-part wig in a minute, and that's for a reason, okay? Because I ain't gonna get too much into it, but another brand decided, you know, how I installed my wig was too similar to what they were trying to do. I guess it was taking away their business. They tried to hush your girl, but we back, okay, just like everybody else is. So we're gonna try to install this V-part wig on my natural hair. Y'all see it's a TWA. It's real short in there. So we're gonna try to do this install real natural with no leave out. But first, let me cut off this band right here. This is to, you know, open the wig up. So let me cut that right on off. I remember my first U part, I was confused on what those bands were. I was like, why can you see, you know, the bands on my head? You're supposed to cut those off, sis. As you can see with my cap construction, I have 4 clips all the way around the V part, the removable elastic band, the 2 clips on the side, and 1 comb in the back that is removable. I'm gonna leave my comb in the back just because, you know, I wanna make sure my nape is down. Before I put this on my head, let me just spray my hair down. There we go. Because my hair is thin in the middle, I do not wanna use that. So I'm going to try to only use the front here. I'm gonna use this wig cap today because I wanna make sure my hair is gonna be flat under this wig. Bring it back so I have some frontage. Now, I personally do not care for the clamps on these type of wigs just because it pulls at my hair, but the clamps are a lot more secure. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to rock it with this elastic band. Let me loosen her up because this wig is feeling a little short to the back, especially because I don't wanna do a lot of leave out. So the look that I'm going for is kind of like a flip over situation. I could do this, but that's too much space right there. I don't want that much hair out. So I may need to do like a closure look. Kind of bring this up here. Maybe leave that much hair out, possibly. Open this clip. I'm gonna bring it up over top of this one and clip it to here. So to close it up, I'm literally just, y'all see it folding over itself? Fold it over itself, bring it up to this one, clip this to here. Now I have a smaller part in space, so I don't have to use as much leave out. Bring this back just a smidge, open this up, and I'm gonna clip this right there. Because I wanted to kind of do like a little flip over, right now, it's facing this way. It's going like this to the front. I'm gonna turn it so this is going this way, and my clip is gonna face back. To the back, there we go. So now the hair is gonna fall like that. I need to use some bobby pins to finish up the install, because right now you can still see my cap in there. So I'm just gonna bring some hair forward, right here, about right there. Take my bobby pin and pin it. Make sure this is situated. I may need to cut my bang a little bit. Before I pin the back down, let me just fluff up the hair and see what she's sitting like. Bring some of this hair forward, like this. Pin it right there. Bring some of my hair up. It's still under the cap. I'm just bringing some of it up so it kind of blends. Same thing right here. I'm gonna just put an extra pin right there in the front just to make sure my leave out won't lift out. This side was looking on top. Put a bobby pin right here on the side. Make sure that's not gonna lift. A little bit of water. Use a little bit of my Eco Styler here in the front. Just gonna bring this down a little bit. Use my Toppik to fill some of this in right here in the front. Right here. Okay. Now let me shape this hair the way I want it to sit on my face. Do a slight part. Bring this over and just fix this one right here. Do a little gel right here. Just kind of blend this hair. Just so it kind of mimics that curl pattern. Told you I'm gonna find a way to do no leave out. Let me just add a little extra mousse right here on these curls. Then I'm gonna do my makeup and we will be done with this look. So here's the final look. Let me just show y'all up close the no leave out. I added a little bit more of my Eco Styler gel right here in the front. My hair is still tucked under here. There's no leave out on this wig, meaning my ends are under the wig. It's tucked. Same thing over here. My hair is tucked under the wig. Again, my hair is short, but because I have on my wig cap, it's still tucked under my wig. This came out cute. Okay, I was a little worried. But it came on together, so you know, I'm here for it. Listen, if you're working with a little bit of hair, or you want to leave your hairline out, or you don't want to deal with lace, these V parts are real nice. And for that price point, hang up that phone, okay? Daddy, Papa, can't wait. We back outside. Before you ask me, this little jumper I have on right now, it didn't come like this. I just cut the strap in the back and made it a halter top. I just tied it. I didn't like it with the two little kid straps. It wasn't my thing. This is a kinky curly texture. When you wash your wig, you more than likely will get shedding like I got shedding when I did my stylings. The tighter the curl, the more shedding you will get. The density is nice, the length is right, the shoulders out, okay, neck can breathe. This is 16 inches. You can elongate your curl if you get a shorter wig. Just put your blow dryer on warm and high and just hold it and lengthen the curl that way. If you happen to, you know, diffuse it a little bit too tight. Like mine is tight right now, but I don't mind it. Nothing crazy on the top. It looks good. Everything is blended real nice. What V part? Huh? Listen, I did that. And I better not get no emails. Okay, don't email me. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OQHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.